how to fix Valorant graphics card problem easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, all you need to do first, just you need to open Riot Games folder, and if you can't find it, just right click on your Valorant icon and then right click and then click open file location, and here you will find it. Here is it, Valorant. uh, Now just here click live, shooter game, binaries, win64, and then scroll down until you find here Valorant. Right click on it and click properties. Now after that, all you need to do, just click compatibility, and then you will find it like that. Enable this option, and now run in compatibility mode for Windows 8, apply and OK. Now just restart your PC and you will find that your problem is fixed, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.